Hello and welcome to Learn English with Teacher Veronica Owuor. Today we want to practice reading letter sounds and blending of words. In this video, I want to reach out to learners who are still struggling with acquisition of reading skills. Kindly subscribe for more lessons on reading. Reading is a key aspect of learning. Children therefore need to learn how to read early enough to enable them to interact with learning materials with confidence. To teach children how to read, the teacher or the parent should conduct assessment to find out which sounds the learner can pronounce so as to teach them from known to unknown. Let us practice reading letter sounds and blending of words. I will say alone. The name of this letter is M. The sound is M. Let us say together. This letter is M. The sound is M. You can now try it alone. Good. Let us repeat with other letters. I will say alone. The name of this letter is A. The sound is A. Let us say together. This letter is A. The sound is A. You can now say it alone. Good. I will say alone. The name of this letter is T. The sound is T. Let us say together. This letter is T. The sound is T. You can now say alone. Good. I will say alone. The name of this letter is E. The sound is A. Let us say together. The name of this letter is E. The sound is A. You can now say it alone. Good. Word blending. Now I shall say the sounds, then the whole word. At. The word is mat. We shall do it together. At. The word is mat. You can do it alone. Good. I will say alone. Et. The word is met. Et. The word is met. Let us say together. Et. The word is met. You can now say alone. Good. Continue practicing with the word. I hope you have enjoyed